Today I'm going to teach you how to import an Elementor header kit using an Elementor JSON file. This is a great way to quickly add professionally designed headers to your WordPress site without building them from scratch. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your site's design and functionality. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main navigation options. In that left sidebar, locate and click on Templates, then select Theme Builder from the drop-down menu that appears. This section is specifically designed for managing your site-wide templates, including headers, footers, and other structural elements that appear across multiple pages. Once you're in the Theme Builder area, look for the Add New button positioned at the top of the screen. This button is your gateway to creating new templates or importing existing ones. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now here's something important you need to know before you can continue. To enable header creation and import header kits using Elementor JSON files, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor has many great features, but the theme builder functionality, including the ability to import header kits from JSON files, is exclusive to the Pro version. Without this upgrade, you won't be able to access the import options or create custom header templates that work across your entire site. If you haven't upgraded yet, you'll need to visit the Elementor website and purchase a Pro license. Once you've completed the upgrade and activated your Pro license on your WordPress site, you'll be able to return to this process and import your header kit using the JSON file. The import process will then allow you to select your JSON file from your computer and seamlessly integrate the pre-designed header into your site's theme builder. That's the essential process for importing an Elementor header kit using a JSON file, though remember the Pro upgrade is required to unlock this functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.